In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a list in Klaviyo using the latest interface. Exporting a list is really useful when you need to back up your subscribers, share data with a teammate, or move information into another platform like a CRM or reporting tool. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can confidently export the data you need. First, once you're logged into your Klaviyo account, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see a main menu. Find and click on the section labeled Audience. This is where Klaviyo keeps everything related to your subscribers and how they're organized. When the Audience menu expands, choose Lists and Segments. This page shows you all the different groups you've set up, including both static lists and dynamic segments. Next, locate the specific list you want to export. Make sure you're choosing a list, not a segment, so you get the exact group of people you're expecting. Click directly on the name of that list, and Klaviyo will open up a detailed view showing all of the profiles that belong to it. In the top right corner of this list page, you'll see a button labeled Manage List. Go ahead and click on that. A small drop-down menu will appear with several options for actions you can take on this list. From that menu, select Export List to CSV. A CSV file is a common spreadsheet format that you can open in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or import into other software. After you choose to export, Klaviyo will prompt you to select which properties you want to include in the export. Properties are simply the data fields stored for each profile, such as email address, first name, last name, sign-up source, or any custom fields you may be using. At this point, think about what information you actually need. If you're sharing the file with another team, you might only select essentials like email and first name. Leaving out unnecessary fields can help keep your export clean and easier to work with later. Once you've selected the properties you want, review your choices briefly to make sure everything looks right. When you're ready, click Start Export. Klaviyo will begin generating your CSV file in the background. Depending on the size of your list, this might take a few moments. When it's done, you'll be able to download the file and open it in your preferred spreadsheet tool for analysis, backup, or import into another platform.